just grab an A4 piece of paper, fold it in half. Pull the clamp up on the side here to separate the white roller. Put the piece of paper in here, drop the clamp, and if that's nice and tight and in actual fact it's ripping, then you're all good. But, this is one I prepared earlier, if you open up the clamp, put this down, and I'm just going to hold a little bit of pressure off the clamp, you'll see as I pull it out, the clutch will move. That's correct tension. If you put this in, tension, if you put this in and you can pull this out and you get nothing, then it's the clamp on the roller. The way to check that is tip your machine upwards and check the two springs here. Make sure they're all intact, and also make sure the cam, which is on this side switch, is not putting any pressure on this bar. It might be that this cam has slipped slightly and it's putting pressure on the upwards pressure of this bar. Check that.